When you think you're done, you're not done. You're never done. I closed 2.5, 3 months later. It went a lot easier because the seller had all of his paperwork signed 2 days before.
At the very end closing, there's a lot of paperwork that they need, a lot of signatures that they needed the last time. And
the big goal is to get to the closing table so you can have the keys to your house and own your own little piece of the world. Make sure you're communicating with your lender. Get all the documents the underwriter asks you to get in and on time. Make sure you meet all of the contingencies and deadlines issued in the contract.
When we handed the check over at the closing table, I think I maybe shed a tear or two. It was a little scary.
To me, at least, it didn't feel real. Like, you're writing a piece of paper, you've never spent that amount of money before.
No one said it would be easy. It's the biggest check you've ever written in your life. But if you've done the homework thus far, you've listened to your realtor, you've put everything in a row, there should be no angst about it. Remember now, you're paying yourself. Up till now, you've been paying a landlord padding their pockets. Now you will be building equity in your own home, your own little piece of the earth.
I must have had buyer's remorse. I must have said that to myself the entire process.
I have to admit I had a little bit of buyer's remorse. I think the day we closed.
The one thing you don't want to feel after you've closed on a house and you have the keys in your hand is buyer's remorse. That's why we do our homework up front and we stay on target with our wish list, our wants and our needs, and you've done the math when it comes to the numbers so that you don't second guess yourself afterward. If you're still second guessing, chances are you've missed the boat on one of those steps.
I was expecting kind of a big thing, like eventful, very exciting, and it was kind of very uneventful.
Closing means your door opens. That's the big surprise. You don't have to do anything else. It's for real.
Take a minute to just realize how much you've accomplished. Just breathe it all in, because tomorrow will not be the first day that you've owned the house. You only get it one time.